Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get this Zooba mod menu for your Android or iOS device. Guys, look at this. This mod menu have a lot of features like unlimited gems and coins, okay? And guys, look, everything is work. This mod menu is updated to 2026. So, the another option is all unlocked, free everything, free shopping, and much more. So, how to get this Zooba mod menu for your Android or iOS device? Like this, it's super easy. Just open your favorite browser and go to this website like me. How to get this website? Go to pin comments down below. There I will show you exactly how to get this website. Okay, after open, type this, the Zooba, press install, wait to finish. And okay, after finish this loading, my Zooba mod menu is already installed in my mobile devices. So head over to the pinned comments down below. There I will show you exactly how to get Zooba++ for your Android or iOS devices.